Hello friends, good morning. So today we will see the syllabus of the subject called production process 1. So let us see here. So whatever all the syllabus we will be having in this semester, according to totally we are having the 6 modules in this subject, that is production process 1. The first topic is, that is the module is metal casting and special casting process. These are the two topics under the first module, and in the second one joining process is there, and in the third module forming process is there, and fourth module molding with the polymers along with molding with ceramics. Both the things are also there in the fourth module. And in the fifth module, classification, selection and application of the machine tools is also there. Then in the final last module, that is a modern machine tools. So these are the 6 modules that will be comes under the production process 1 subject. Okay. And what is the objective of this subject? Yes, if it is there in your syllabus, then what is the objective of this one? So why should you learn the production process 1 subject? So first thing is to find out the to study the basic production processes. We are having the different kinds of the production processes are there. That is in the case of a small production house, small batch productions, large batch productions, or rapid prototyping technology productions, then mass production, etc. So the basic thing what will be there in the basic section, so that we are going to see in the this subject. Second one, to study how to select appropriate production process for a specific applications. And this is very important part of it. Why? Because for the production of any of the product, let us take any of the plastic kind of the product or metal kind of the product, then you have to adapt some of the production processes. But how we are going to select the production process on the basis of your raw material of the product? मतलब आपका रॉ मटेरियल, मतलब आपका प्रोडक्ट और जो आप प्रोड्यूस करने वाली उस प्रोडक्ट का रॉ मटेरियल क्या है, उसके हिसाब से आपका प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस कैसे होना चाहिए वो बता सकते हैं इसके लिए. So here in this one, to study how to select appropriate production process for a specific application. So for every specific application, so for example specific application, suppose if you are using for the household equipments, or if you are using for the constructional technology equipments, or you are using for the any other machinery parts, or if you are using the medical parts, so like that. So depend upon the application your production process will be vary. So we can't use a single production process for the entire production house. मतलब एक ही हम प्रोसेस को हर जगह पे यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. एक एक जगह के लिए हमको एक एक प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस होना चाहिए, क्योंकि डिपेंड अपॉन दी मटेरियल, डिपेंड अपॉन दी अवेलेबिलिटी, डिपेंड अपॉन इट्स एप्लीकेशंस वेर यू आर गोइंग टू यूज़. ओके. थर्ड वन, टू स्टडी द machine tools. Machine tools, because we are having the so many different kinds of the machines are there in this subject. Also you are going to study some of the different kinds of the machines will be available. So along with that, the machine tools. So what are the new tools are there which have been introduced for the machines? So suppose in the machines also, some of the machines are there that are the manually, and some are the semi automatic, and some of the automatic. Some machines are manual operated, some of the semi manual operated, and some of the fully automated machines are there. So for that machines you require tools, some supporting tools you require. So for automation kind of the automatic machines, so what are the different kinds of tools you are going to use to maintain or to help for that machine, or to support for that machines? And for as well as the manual machines also you require some of the tools. So entire we are going to study the different kinds of the machines and different kinds of the machines tools. Okay. So these are the some of the objectives under the production process 1 subject. Okay. So now we will go with the outcomes. So once if you learn the production process 1 subject, so what will be use, what is the use of this production process subject? So demonstrate understanding of casting process. You can easily understand the different kinds of the casting processes. Okay. Then illustration of the principle of the forming process. So what are the different kinds of the processes are there in the forming technology? So you are able to know that. So its working principle, its constructional details, its applications, its advantages, its disadvantages, or any other parameters regarding this forming process you are going to know at the final end of this semester. Then demonstrate application of various types of welding processes. We are having the so many different kinds of the welding process: TIG welding, MIG welding, energy welding, CO2 welding. So different kinds of the weldings are there. So now after completion of this one, you are going to able demonstrate or to find out that, so what are the different kinds of the welding process are there for the different application purpose. So if you are using your raw material is a steel, then what is the welding process you can use? If it is a mild steel or cast iron, then which one is the suitable? Means you can easily find out that what kind of the welding process are suitable for kind of the materials or raw materials. Okay. Then next one, differentiate chip forming process such as turning, milling and drilling, etc. Differentiate between the chip forming processes. So anyhow, if you are going with the removal of the material, so we are having the different kinds of the manufacturing process. One is the additive manufacturing, where we are going to add the raw material to the final product, that is called as the additive manufacturing. And one is the subtractive manufacturing. Subtractive manufacturing is nothing but removing of the material from the part. Removing the material from the part or the raw material. Suppose if you are having a square cube, if you want to convert that square cube into a circular one, then you have to remove the sharpen edges, means you are going to remove the extra materials, and you can finally get the shape, that is round shape you are going to get. So this is called as a subtractive type of the manufacturing process, where you are going to cut the रॉ मटेरियल्स और यू आर गोइंग टू मिनिमाइज द रॉ मटेरियल्स, मतलब आप रॉ मटेरियल वहाँ से निकालते हैं. So that is subtractive. Additive manufacturing is nothing but where you are going to add the material to build a part or to build a product. So for example, as a rapid prototyping process is also there. So this rapid prototyping process is what? Here it is going to have a additive manufacturing process. मतलब यहाँ पे मटेरियल ऐड होता जाता है, जैसे जैसे आपका मटेरियल बिल्ड होगा वैसे वैसे मटेरियल्स रॉ मटेरियल ऐड होता जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज द एडिटिव मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस, दैट टू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए लेयर बाय लेयर ऑपरेशन. दैट टू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए लेयर बाय लेयर ऑपरेशन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ एडिटिव मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस. ओके. Okay, so come back. So next is the chip forming. Then illustrates the concept of the production polymer components and ceramic components. So you are going to able how are going to produce or production. So what are different kinds of the production technology are there for making or producing the ceramic kind of the components or polymeric kind of the components. Okay. And finally distinguish between the conventional and modern machine tools. As I already told you earlier, so we are having the different kinds of the machines are there, that is the manual machines, then semi-automatic machines, and finally automatic machines. So manual machines are the machines which will be entirely work on the manual thing, and semi-automatic kind of the machines, they are working under the some manual parts, some of the will be automated. So whereas in the finally fully automatic, they are called as a automation kind of the manufacturing process are there. And finally you will understand the what is the different kind of the processes are there, what are different kinds of technologies are also there in the production process one. So these are the entire thing of the objectives and outcomes of the production process. Okay. So we are having total 6 modules in this one, and finally we will be having the 2 internals, so out of which 1 and 2 internals will be there. The textbooks for this production process we will be having in our library, that is the Workshop Technology by A.J. Chapman part 1, 2 and the 3. Then textbook for the Fountain Technology by M. Lal, So these are the different textbooks or reference books are there in our library. You can go ahead with this reference book, you can easily understand. So along with this, you can also view your lecture videos for better understanding the concept of the production process 1. Okay, so the actual topics that is on the based on the first module, that is the metal casting and special casting process. We will start with the next class onwards. So this is a basic class regarding about the topics regarding about the syllabus of your third semester, that is production process 1 subject. So this is ends with the syllabus coverage. This ends with the syllabus part. Then from the next class onwards, we will go with the actual syllabus part. Okay, thank you.